I'm Molly Lyons-Sword. I am a certified Gottman therapist at the Counseling Hub, and I'm going to talk to you briefly about the 7 Principles of Making Marriage Work workshop. First things first, just acknowledging that this is not a workshop for only married folks. The workshop is titled that because the New York Times best-selling book, 7 Principles of Making Marriage Work by John Gottman and Nan Silver, was titled that originally, and so they just kept plugging along with that title. And so letting you all know that this workshop is for anyone who wants to really strengthen their relationship. So what this workshop is all about is going to be teaching couples about relationships. So Gottman Method Couples Therapy is an evidence-based approach to helping strengthen relationships. And this workshop is broken into sessions that are going to cover the Sound Relationship House, which is the theoretical framework Gottman's used to talk about relationships. Broken into covering your all's friendship system, helping you all with conflict management, helping you create a shared meaning in your relationship, and all of these different facets that really improve communication and conflict management to help you feel confident that your relationship is on track and can stay on track with what we know about long-lasting healthy relationships. So check out our webpage that talks about the workshop, or follow us on social media and watch for more videos. This is exciting.